Student, let's start with practice set 16. We have already completed practice set 14 and 15. So let's begin with practice set 16. Example 1. Sum 1. If 317 multiplied by 45 is equal to 14,265, then 3.17 multiplied by 4.5, how much it is, you have to find it out. Student, look at this sum. Here what is given? 317 multiplied by 45, answer is there, 14,265. okay, here they have given the same number. See, 317, 45, but they have added the decimal point. So the sum of this number is also the same, right? Because the numbers are same. Okay, but we have to give the decimal point. Okay, so let's do it. Now see, we will write first 317 multiplied by 45. If, okay, then it is 14,265. Then 3.17 multiplied by 4.5, answer I am getting is the same, 14,265. okay, but I have to add the decimal point. So I'll count the number from the right. 1, here 1 number, okay, after the decimal point, and here 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 numbers. So before the 3 numbers I'll give the decimal point. So what is the answer? 14.265. Now the same example. If 503 multiplied by 217 is equal to 1,09,151, then 5.03 multiplied by 2.17, how much it is? Then if 503 multiplied by 217 is equal to 1,09,151, then 503 multiplied by 217, sum here I am getting is the same, because both the numbers are the same. Okay, because both the numbers are the same, only they have given the decimal point over here. Okay, so I'll write 1,09,151, but I have to give the decimal point over here. So I'll count the number 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and here I am giving the decimal point. Okay, so what is the answer I am getting? 10.9151. So this is my answer. Okay, 5.03 multiplied by 217. Okay student, got it? Understood this? Now we'll go to next sum. Multiply 2.7, you have to multiply by 1.4. I have shown two methods. You can do any method and solve this sum. So I'll apply the second method. So I'll write the number as it is, 27 by 14. I'll remove the decimal point, then I will multiply. 4 7s are 28. So 8 here I'll carry 2. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 0. 1 7s are 7. 1 2s are 2. Okay. Then I have to add it. 8. Okay. Then 7 plus 0 7. 2 plus 1 3. So answer is 378. But I have to write it in the decimal point. So 2.7 multiply by 1.4 is equal to 378. So but I have to give the decimal point. So 2 numbers are there after decimal. So 2 numbers. So what is the answer? 3.78. So this is my answer I am getting. Okay. So in the same way I'll do the another sum. I'll remove the decimal point. 617 multiplied by 39. Student, pay attention here. 9 7s are 63. So I'll write 3 and carry 6 over here. 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6 how much? 15. 15. So I'll write 5 and carry 1. 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 1. 55. So 0. 3 7s are 21. 1. I'll carry 2. 3 1s are 1. 1 plus 2. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 2. 5. 3 6 are 18. So I'll add 3. 5 plus 1 6. 5 plus 5 10. 0. Carry 1. So 8 plus 5 13. 13 plus 1 14. 4. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 2. So the answer is 24,063. Okay. So how I'll write? 6.17 multiplied by 3.9 is equal to 24,063. But I have to give the decimal point. So I'll count the number 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So here I'll give the decimal point. Okay, student. Are you getting? So the answer is this. This is the answer I am getting. Now another sum is very easy. 0.57 you have to multiply by 2. So remove the decimal. 57 multiply by 2. 2 7s are 14. 4 carry 1. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1 11. So 0.57 multiplied by 2 is equal to 114. So 2 numbers. So the answer I am getting is 1.14. Okay. So now next example. 5.04 multiplied by 0.7. So how I'll write here? I'll solve the sum over here. 504 multiplied by 7. I'll remove the decimal point. 7 4s are 28. Carry 2. 7 zeros are 0. So 2 will come as it is. 7 5s are 35. So the answer is 3528. But I have to write it into decimal point. So 5.04 multiplied by 0.7 is equal to 3528. Then 1 2 3 numbers. 1 2 3. So the answer is 3.528. So student understood this first, second and third sum of problem set 16. Copy down in your notebook.